Okay, sorry, I just got a phone call from somebody and it looked like it was a spam, so I got disconnected for some reason because I'm on my phone. So anyway, this is I was at this part, the gift, which is the snowflake coin purse, red and white. Okay, that's one of the purchases that I made. This is another one that I made that came while I was gone. And I try not to do any purchases while I was not here because, of course, I wouldn't be here to pick them up. Okay, so, okay, here this is. And it looks like it's a template. Okay, so I'm not really sure who I got this template from. It's not the regular. Oh yeah, I got this is the same from Baby Long Leather. Baby Long Leather, something like that. I don't know if I'm saying that wrong. If I am, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to say it wrong, but that's just the way I read it. But if I'm saying it wrong, feel free to let me know, okay? Okay, so this is my second one. And it is, all right. Well, they gave me another little gift, which was another little one of these. I think they're cute. I have granddaughters. So I'll be getting those. Put that on the floor. Let's see what this is, okay? Because, like I said, I don't remember. I do buy a lot of templates that normally not from them. This would be like usually from the template shop. That's where I get my templates. But this is the first time I bought a template from this company. Okay. So they're going to tell me exactly where to go to get the video, to do the video of this. So these are the template. This is for the large bag. Okay. And this is the handle. Now, as you know, I'm just going to cut this with the vinyl and maybe the leather and stuff, but not to stitch it like this. I'm going to stitch it regular, you know, like with my industrial sewing machine, my Juki. So anyway, this is like card. Yeah, the card slot. Okay, another large. And this is to position the card slot there. So I think I'm not going to take the paper off of here because the paper gives a lot of information. And so there's no sense in taking that paper off of there if I'm going to throw out the information that it's giving me, correct? So the only thing I noticed with these, different with these templates that are not the same as the template shop is that they don't have that hole that you get where you can hang these up, which means that I can't really hang these up anywhere. I have to keep these like in this bag more than likely and, you know, laying down somewhere. I won't be able to hang them up, and I keep all my templates hung up somewhere. So see, this tells you where to do everything. And like I said, I'm going to do this just with a regular, before I do it with my leather, with my good leather, I'm going to go ahead and try it with vinyl first to see exactly, you know, how it turns out. Okay. And this is A and B. Now, as far as the quality of the templates are concerned, they are like super thin. the reason why is because I'm going to show you. These are, oops. Darn, I am so sorry. Because I was doing this before I left. So these are the templates that I got from, well, this is not really the one from the template shop. This is the one for, the one before the template shop that I used to order from. And then the template shop kind of took over their, took over the business, okay? But, because see how thick they are? Okay, this is the original, and the template shop, theirs are a little thinner. So, let me see if I can find one from them. And this is my Swoon one, and this was also from the original. See how thick it is? That's not from the template shop. Let's see, 1 second. Darn. Got a lot of stuff. Let me see this one. This one's also the Catalina. This is also not from the template shop. This is, oh gosh, I have to get up real quick because otherwise I'm not going to remember. Okay, so I'm so sorry for taking so long. Tops and Bobbins, that's what it was. Okay, so I got those other templates from Tops and Bobbins, and then it became the template shop. Yeah, because I got the necessary clutch bag from them and all kinds of stuff from them. So this is thin. It's still thinner than the template shop. It's just not as thick as Tops and Bobbins was when they were running the business. Trying to find out, you know, I apologize for getting so far away from you guys. Okay, so I got, this is the difference because I just ordered the really big NCW bag from the template shop. Okay, so as you see, it is somewhat thinner, you know, but not as thin as this. I don't know if you can tell the difference. There's a difference here and there. So it's somewhat thinner, just not as thin. And definitely not as thick as this, because this was from Tops and Bobbins. Okay, and you see the difference in that. Like, you know, you can drop this and it's not going to break or chip, you know. With the other ones, maybe not so much. So yeah, that was the Annette bag that I ordered through them. This is from template shop. This was the necessary clutch extra large, and then this of course was the Babylon leather, which, as you can see, I mean, honestly, you got to be very careful. I won't even take this off because you got to be very careful with it. But anyway, that's it for today. When I start doing any of these bags, I will get back on. Sorry about the way I look. I'm telling you, I've only been here a couple of days, so I still got jet lag and just going through all kinds of stuff. Unfortunately, it's rather depressing when you have to go through something like this, and it's just It's not the same. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having a blessed day. Bye.